welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another advent calendar unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this humongous Soap and Glory advent calendar, which is very kindly gifted to me from Soap and Glory PR company. I cannot wait to get into this one. This retails for £42, but it actually has £70 worth of products inside. It's got 24 doors and it opens up like this. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and don't forget to enter my 7.5k subscriber giveaway. I will leave the links down below. Let's just get straight into the advent calendar. First up behind day number 1 is a mini of their Clean On Me Creamy Moisture Shower Gel. This will be perfect for me getting ready to go to Paris. I absolutely love their Clean On Me shower gel. I just wish that they'd change the pump on it. But I'm so excited because this one is a little mini and I can take it travelling with me. And this is just what it looks like. Number 2, we have a full-size product. This is the Soap and Glory, obviously, Hiiii Genius Amazing Foot Cream. And it just looks like this. And this is a huge 125 millilitres. Number 3 is a little itty-bitty one. This is a bath bomb. And it's just white on one side and pink on the other. Totally Soap and Glory themed. Number 4 is a full-size sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss. This is in the shade Bare Enough, and I love that this is a full-size one. Like, I wouldn't expect a full-size one. And number 5, I've tried to open already, and when I've opened it, it's empty, but the little message on the inside says "such a tweeze." So I'm assuming that I've lost some tweezers somewhere in the box. We'll get to that at the end. For number 6, we have the Naughty But Spice Plum and Cinnamon Spiced Body Wash. This is another one of the 75ml mini ones. Once again, perfect for travelling. I'll just full on put my nose in that. But it smells so good. They had this out last year as like a limited edition shade, and they've brought it back this year, and I'm so glad that I have because it smells phenomenal. Behind door number 7, we have the Soap and Glory. I need to stop saying that, don't I? This is their Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. And it just looks like this. This is like a mini version, so this is a 50ml, so really decent size. They haven't gone like shabby with the sizes of stuff in this advent calendar, which I think is absolutely amazing. And yeah, I've never ever tried this. I have got this, I just haven't got around to trying it yet. So I'm excited to see what it's like, and once again, perfect for travelling. Number 8 is one of the cutest little ones ever. It's like a little mini eye cream, a cream eyeshadow. This is in the, ooh, hiccup there. This is in the shade Gold Outside. Oh, it's so cute. Let's swatch it. My heart can't handle it. That's probably like the worst swatch of my whole life. It's like pigmented, but it's definitely one that you would put on top of something else because it's not like a full base. I like one that you put as a base and then put glitter on top. But it's so little and so cute. Behind door number 9, we have a hand food, but this isn't any normal hand cream from Soap and Glory. This is scented with the Sugar Crush, which is like the sweet lamb and vanilla one, and I absolutely love. Oh my god, I love the smell of that. So I'm so glad that they've changed it up a little bit. Number 10 is like up to the side here, and it is huge. Oh my god, it's a sheet mask. I kind of guessed that, to be fair, from the shape of it, if I can get it out. So this is the Radiant Boosting Mask with Vitamin C. It's like a sheet mask, and it just looks like this. This advent calendar is like amazing so far. So as I went to open number 11, I found number 8. So these are the tweezers that were supposed to be behind number 8, but just kind of lost their way. And these are just like a little Soap and Glory tweezers. How cute. And I'm always on the lookout for new tweezers. And then behind box 11 is the Sugar Crush Body Butter Cream. Oh my god, this smells phenomenal. Oh, I'm thinking, is it like you can smell it? That's just what it looks like. And this is a 50ml one, so once again, a really decent size. Behind door number 12 is another one of the bath bombs, and behind door 13 is a huge full-size Righteous Butter body lotion. So it just looks like this, absolutely huge. It's like 200ml, And I've noticed that behind door 13, it has a little sign saying please recycle me. So I absolutely love the fact that this advent calendar can be recycled, because the amount of advent calendars that must just get binned and just put into landfills must be ridiculous. I love the fact that this is actually recyclable. Amazing. Ooh, so behind 14 is the Rush Hour Sensational Dry Shampoo. I've never ever tried Soap and Glory's dry shampoo, so I'm really excited to try this. And once again, it's a full size one, 200ml. It's meant to have like the traditional, oh my god, it does, Soap and Glory scent to it as well. And I really need some dry shampoo. I've run out completely, so perfect timing. Behind door 15 is another Clean on Me body wash. Once again, it's the smaller version, so this is the 75ml. And behind door 16 we have the Sugar Crush body wash. Oh, I don't know if I actually want to take this one with me. I think I'm going to take this one to Disneyland Paris with me because it smells phenomenal. And once again, this is the 75ml. Behind door 17 is a really, really cute little bath petal. I'm assuming that you just basically pop this in the bath. Just looks like this. Like, how cute. It's typical like Soap and Glory kind of pink as well. And then behind door 18, which is quite a large one again, as you can probably see, this was a full-size hand food hydrating hand cream with shea butter, macadamia oil and marshmallow as well. So this is 125 millilitres. It just looks like this. And then behind door 19 is another full-size Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss, and this one's in the shade Plum Sup, and it is pink and sparkly and it looks beautiful. Oh, it looks so nice. And if you all watched my Debenhams calendar unboxing, you will know that one of the most exciting days for me out of advent calendars is the 20th of December, and that is because it's my birthday, and this year I'm going to be 25. I don't really know how I feel about that, but moving onwards, behind box 20 is the Butter Be Good Hydrating Body Butter, and this is again from the Naughty But Spice collection, and this is a 50ml body butter. This looks like this, and this has got amazing scent to it. It really reminds me of a girl at work called Katie. The scent just reminds me of what she smells like all the time, and it just smells amazing. It's just a Katie scent. It's just a Katie scent. Behind door 21 is another bath petal, which I kind of wish that they didn't have two of these. I mean, I don't mind having two of the Clean on Me's because I love them, but two of these and two of the bath bombs, like, just kind of fill up ones, aren't they? But fair dues to them. And once again, really cute. And then behind 22, which I'm so excited about, I've been wanting to try this for ages. This is the Soap and Glory Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches with Puff Ease Technology. So basically it's just some eye masks. It just looks like this. And that was what was behind day 22. And then day 23 is a huge one, like full-on, full-size bad boy. This is the Scrub of Your Life, the Ultimate Super Smoothing Body Buffer. And this is a 200ml bottle. Absolutely love this. And then I thought I'd open door 24 together because it is, again, a really big one. A bit like the size 10 and size 10, the door 10. So I'm assuming it's most likely going to be a face mask. Let's have a look. Let's have a look together. And I was right, it's a mask. It says Plump 'em Up on the inside of the door. And it's a hydrogel mask. It just looks like this, which I love the fact that this is on the last day, because if I'd got, for instance, like, I mean, a bath bomb is alright, but if I got like a bath bomb on my last day, or I don't know, like the tweezers or something like that, I would have been like, for the last day, like before Christmas. Whereas this makes perfect sense because you can have your little pamper and get yourself all nice and refreshed, ready for Christmas Day the next day. So absolutely love that this is behind day 24. And that's everything that is in the Soap and Glory Advent Calendar. You can buy it on Boots. I will leave the link down below. It's out of stock online, but check your local Boots because it'll probably be in stock in the actual stores, and it'll be coming back in stock online anyways. It's also on the 3 for 2, so if you want to pick up anything else or any other present and maybe get this as a little cheeky extra for yourself and get it for free, then please check the links down below, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. My next advent calendar is going to be a £5 one that I got from B&M, and I'm going to actually, because it's a makeup one, I'm going to actually sit, open it all up and go through the products and actually apply them on my face, because that's something that you've been requesting, so I'm definitely going to do it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you.